Hello, dearie. How you doing? Hello, colleagues of the noble profession. So this one is for you. I don't know if you've heard the news from the Ministry of Health. So I think on the 3rd of March last week, the Ministry of Health announced that they are opening the HTI portal for post basic applications into specialist programs. So they announced that they are in need. There is a gap of vacancy for specialist programs. So when you come to the health training portal, that's HTI, you can just type HTI to take you there to healthtraining.gov.gh and you click on apply now. The forms are on sale for um nurses and midwives who want to specialize. And when you check the eligibility, you see the advertisement that the Ministry of Health posted on their Instagram page. So they are not selling the nursing forms to every for new applicants for WASI holders. No, this is specifically for staff nurses and midwives who want to specialize. Okay. And so when you come to view eligibility, you see the letter, the public announcement for admission into post-basic specialized nursing programs in the Ministry of Health, health training institutions. So Ghana faces dual challenge, the growing need for specialist nurses to provide quality healthcare delivery and all of that to strengthen the domestic healthcare services. You can go and read on this. So if you are interested in critical care nursing, emergency nursing, cardiology nursing, nephrology nursing, endocrinology nursing, that's a new one, and oncology nursing, then you can use this opportunity to apply. You gain skills in this field, whichever one you choose. The program is designed to meet international standards. Training is fully supported by the Ministry of Health with modern skills laboratories, upgraded libraries, and expert faculty. Professional certificate. When you are done, graduates will be eligible for associate membership with the Ghana College of Nurses and Midwives, which is common now. Now, when you complete Kolebu, any of the Kolebu post basic schools, you get an associate degree certificate from the Ghana College of Nurses and Midwives. I think you have to do a 2 week course and then you write their exams and they give you the associate degree certificate. So I think that will be the same process here. And for academic certificates, you graduate with a BSc from the University of Cape Coast. Training is as usual 4 semesters. But the interesting part are some of the nursing schools that have been upgraded to host these programs, like the NMTC Tamale, NMTC Kumasi, and I think the third one would be NMTC Kolebu. So we have the Kolebu post basic schools, which is the perioperative and critical care, but we also have the NMTC Kolebu, which is for the nurses and midwives, the basic program. So that school has also been upgraded. So for emergency nursing, you can go to Tamale NMTC or perioperative slash critical care school. It's the same school, Kolebu. And for cardiology, you can go to Kolebu or NMTC Kumasi. And for nephrology, you can go to ENT school, Kumasi or Kolebu NMTC. Endocrinology, Kumasi or Kolebu NMTCs. Oncology is Kolebu NMTC and ENT school, Kumasi. And critical care is perioperative and critical care school, Kolebu or NMTC, Kumasi. So, which means that Tamale is only offering the emergency nursing. So you either go to Tamale or Kolebu for perioperative, for emergency nursing, and Kumasi is offering cardiology nursing, endocrinology, and critical care nursing. And then NMTC Kolebu has nephrology, endocrinology, oncology, yeah, those three in oncology. But for the perioperative school, emergency, cardiology, and critical care, the program they already run. Ah, okay. And then for the eligibility, applicants should be medically fit and not more than 40 years old. You need to have passion and commitment to serve in Ghana's health service. You should have a diploma in general nursing, diploma in midwifery, and registered mental health nursing, which one is completed your 1 year mandatory rotation, that's your national service, and 2 years work experience in an area of uh, interest, either public or private sector. You must possess a valid identification, that's your PIN with NMC. And then you come here, you buy the forms, and you follow the prompts. The form is selling for 150 cedis, and you are here. I know some of my colleagues, public health nurses, will be like, there they go again, leaving us out of an opportunity like this. But preventive care also has its perks, so don't be so beat up about it, because these ones are clinical specialties and we are preventive nurses. So I'm sorry we are not part of this one, okay? But if you are a midwife, if you are a registered general nurse, an RGN, if you are a psychiatric nurse, and you've been looking for opportunities to go to school and specialize, then this is one of the opportunities you can use. The other time I've seen this opportunity, an opportunity like this, was when the service was in need of midwives, and I think in that time even steady leave was not an issue, because this is a Ministry of Health calling for staff, like staff to specialize. So they will give you steady leave if there's a need for one. They'll give you steady leave. So if maybe you are someone who has applied for steady leave for so long and you've not gotten, this is an opportunity you can utilize and move on, okay, and specialize and move on from there. If you are interested, please go to the health training portal and buy the e-voucher. They will always conduct interviews, so you prepare for your interview, and then let's see if you get the opportunity to upgrade yourself and all of that. These are some of the opportunities you can use to um, rank fast in the system. Okay, so don't do last. The end date will be 26th March. The form sale of forms will end on the 26th March. So whilst you are deciding on what to do, buy the e-voucher. Okay, buy at least two. We have power, we be foul, and then you move on. Okay, yeah. So if you don't know now, you know that the Ministry of Health is in need of specialist nurses. So go and get the form, share the video with a colleague that you think will benefit from this, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.